Still struggling to get traffic in 2025? You're not alone. SEO is slow, ads are expensive, and social media, it's a grind. How can you get real leads without content or spending? Good question. What if traffic could come to you invisibly? The invisible traffic system taps into untapped buyer traffic with no SEO, no videos, no tech, just plug and go. Scan the QR code to get the invisible traffic system. It works by activating traffic triggers that run in the background. No algorithms, no audience, just results. How do I get leads without posting 24/7? This system doesn't need social posts. It runs without you. Scan the QR code and get the invisible traffic system now. What if I have no audience or email list? No problem. Invisible traffic finds the buyers for you. Perfect for beginners, email marketers, DFY promo users, or anyone tired of spinning wheels. Don't waste another minute guessing. Scan the QR code or click below and get your invisible buyer traffic flowing now.